The Sanjo Ohashi, the Great Sanjo Bridge, is easily Kyoto's most important bridge. For over 1,000 years, it served as the city's main eastern entry point. It was the terminus of the Tokaido Road, the highway that connected the capital city here in Kyoto with the eastern provinces. Now, although the current bridge is thoroughly modern, made of concrete and steel, it's embedded with stylistic elements indicative of the rich history of the bridge, but more important, additions made in the 16th century. Let's go take a look. Beside the bridge's gentle curving shape, one of the things that gives it a lot of character are these bronze baluster caps. And these were put here in the late 16th century, and each one of them is inscribed with the same story. It talks about the sinking of these stone pillars 5 fathoms into the ground, and that for generations to come, those who cross this Great Sanjo Bridge shall be delivered. And it's a Buddhist term they're using here for delivered, but of course they mean both come to the delivered to the capital, and perhaps delivered from some other kind of rigors, maybe of the provinces. But it's very interesting. You can actually parse this out, and it tells you a great deal about the bridge. Now, what's important is it talks about the stone pillars being sunk 5 fathoms into the sea, and that this constitutes Japan's first permanent stone bridge. Now, let's go take a look at those pillars, that actually some of which still exist today. Now, this is a great place to get a sense for the shape and this gentle curve of the Sanjo Bridge. And this area here that we're in is popular among young people. They come here at nighttime to drink and to dance and just to sort of hang out. But what a lot of people fail to recognize is that many of the pillars that make up, in fact, most of the pillars that make up the south side of the bridge, for example, this one here, this is an original pillar sunk into the earth 5 fathoms deep during the 16th century. Now you can see obviously it's been fortified with ferro concrete, but here and even all of these, except for one, are the originals. You can tell the difference between this is a carved pillar, carved from stone, and then of course you've got a ferro concrete pillar there. But people who come here need to be aware that the original bridge, the original stone bridge, again, Japan's first, is still surviving in just little bits here on the south side of the Sanjo Bridge.